Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best handheld vacuum pump is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have, whether you're a professional mechanic needing to quickly evacuate a system, a passionate homebrewer aiming for perfect sealing, or a curious scientist conducting experiments that require a vacuum. This handy device simplifies tasks across various fields, from automotive repair to laboratory experiments and even food preservation. Its compact size and ease of use make it an invaluable asset for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. Mityvac MV8510 Silverline Elite Pump. This is the Mityvac MV8510 Silverline Elite, your all-in-one solution for various automotive and other tasks. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. You'll receive the hand pump, a large easy-to-read gauge, a protective boot, a dual converter for versatile use, and a multilingual user's manual. It's perfect for brake bleeding, fluid transfer, and even windshield repair. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. It provides both vacuum and pressure with equal precision, making your work easier and more efficient. You'll appreciate the consistent results it delivers. It features a modern, ergonomic design for comfortable and extended use. You can work for longer periods without fatigue. It's constructed from durable zinc aluminum die-cast components, ensuring it's lightweight yet tough enough to withstand daily use. This pump is built to last. What we like. It boasts a robust build and a highly accurate gauge. If you need a reliable tool for various automotive tasks and demand precision, this is the perfect choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for professionals and serious DIYers alike. What people say. It seems to be well made, pulls and holds a good vacuum, appears to be accurate, and I expect it will be something that will work for many years to come. For a slightly larger investment I decided to purchase this kit and am glad I spent the extra money. It has a valve which allows you to switch between pressurization and vacuum action, and the dial reads in both negative and positive ranges. It also has a pressure vacuum release located under the selector valve. Number 4. Performance Tool W87030 Kit. This kit has everything you need for brake bleeding and automotive testing, all by yourself. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. It can be used to test and diagnose many different parts and systems on any vehicle. Save time and money with accurate results. This tool is perfect for both brake bleeding and automotive diagnosis. It's a versatile solution for various automotive tasks. The vacuum gauge measures in inches of mercury, ensuring accurate and reliable readings every time. Get the precision you need for proper diagnostics. It's easy to operate. It develops and holds up to 25 inches of vacuum and pumps about 1 cubic inch per stroke. Get the job done quickly and effectively. This kit is a valuable addition to any mechanic's or DIY enthusiast's toolbox. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit has everything you need for brake bleeding and automotive testing. If you value convenience and want accurate results without fuss, this is your go-to kit. It's perfect for those who want a simple, effective solution. What people say. This pump is awesome, works very well. I purchased this one to replace other branded one that keep leaking. Can't have that when testing parts for leaks. Look, high quality, great value. I got this to replace a 40-year-old Mityvac that couldn't be taken apart and serviced. This one works great, pulls a good vacuum and holds it. It's even easy to take apart and clean, which I had to do because I accidentally connected it to the wrong fitting and sucked a bunch of brake fluid into it. But no worries. A few screws and it was apart, all cleaned up, relubed with silicone, and is ready to go again. Very well designed. Simple to use. Very effective kit in maintaining those sharp brakes on your vehicle. Number 3. Handheld Vacuum Pump Tester Kit. It's more than just a vacuum pump, it's your all-in-one solution for testing various vehicle systems and bleeding brakes. The included accessories make it incredibly versatile. Say goodbye to complicated brake bleeding procedures. It simplifies the process, allowing you to do it yourself with ease. With its clear and easy-to-read gauge, you'll get precise readings every time. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. It's perfect for testing and diagnosing a wide range of vehicle components and systems. This kit is a must-have for any car enthusiast or mechanic. Everything you need is included, neatly organized in a durable carrying case. It's portable and ready to go wherever you need it. Built to last, it's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability and reliable performance. You can trust it for years to come. What we like. It's a versatile tool for various vehicle checks and brake bleeding. If you need a comprehensive kit with all the necessary accessories and portability is key, this is an excellent option. It's great for both home mechanics and those on the go. What people say. Changed the brake fluid in 2 GM vehicles and saved lots of money in doing it myself. Went with this option as it was cheaper than buying an electric. I really like that the kit has the adapter set included if the tubing is too small like it was to fit the sidearm of my flask, it's a quick fix. I also like that it comes with a suction collection canister. The pump sucked very well with no leaks whatsoever, and all connections kept very tight. I was able to do the job in 1-2 hours. Number 2. Handheld Vacuum Tester Set. It's more than just a vacuum pump, it's your all-in-one solution for testing various vehicle systems and bleeding brakes. With the included adapters, it simplifies many automotive tasks. Say goodbye to complicated brake bleeding procedures. It makes brake bleeding a simple DIY project, saving you time and money. This tool features a clear, easy-to-read gauge, ensuring precise measurements for reliable testing. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. It comes with everything you need for both brake bleeding and a wide range of automotive diagnostic tests. It's a comprehensive kit for any vehicle owner. Its compact design and included carrying case make it easy to transport and store. Take it with you wherever you need it. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand regular use. We're confident in its durability and performance. We stand behind our product with excellent after-sales support. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This pump is a multitasker for various vehicle system checks and brake bleeding. If you appreciate a complete set with excellent customer support, this is a smart choice. The after-sales service makes it a worry-free investment. What people say. Changed the brake fluid in 2 GM vehicles and saved lots of money in doing it myself. Went with this option as it was cheaper than buying an electric. I really like that the kit has the adapter set included if the tubing is too small like it was to fit the sidearm of my flask, it's a quick fix. I also like that it comes with a suction collection canister. The pump sucked very well with no leaks whatsoever, and all connections kept very tight. I was able to do the job in 1-2 hours. Number 1. Brake Bleeder Kit with Hand Vacuum Pump. It's a handheld vacuum pump kit with a pressure gauge for precise readings, from 0 to 30 inches of mercury. This kit comes with everything you need for brake bleeding and automotive diagnostics on various vehicles. This vacuum system tester lets you work independently. You can pump out air, oil, and other fluids, and fill the system without needing an assistant. It's easy and efficient. It's made of durable, high-quality plastic, making it lightweight and easy to carry and store. It's perfect for home or professional use. The kit includes a manual pump, pressure gauge, hoses, reservoir, adapters, and a carrying case. It has everything you need for different vehicle models and systems. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or issues, contact us, and we'll provide a solution. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. It enables single-person operation for various fluid-related tasks. If you prioritize ease of use, portability, and a complete set of accessories, this is the ideal kit. It's perfect for anyone looking for a convenient and efficient solution. What people say. Liked the ease of use and durability of this little pump bleeder, makes the job so much easier. This made my job so much easier. The vacuum pump operates as expected, however the gauge is very inaccurate. It read 5 Hg right out of the box and never reads 0 Hg. For me this is not a problem as applying vacuum to the brake system is all I care about. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.